MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, TireRack.com, and RockAuto.com.
The Inflation Reduction Act has passed, and with it comes major EV tax incentive changes. Starting immediately, the up to $7,500 tax credit will go to EVs assembled in North America. That totals only about 20 models, but not all are eligible. Those that are included, the Ford F-150 Lightning, Rivian R1T, and Nissan Leaf. But come the first of the year, many fewer will qualify. To stay up to date on available EV tax credits, check out the U.S. Department of Energy's Alternative Fuels Data Center website. Speaking of the Lightning, Ford's EV pickup is getting a pickup in price. List price of the 2023 F-150 Lightning will increase between $6,000 and $9,000 depending on trim. Ford says the hike is due to the rising cost of materials. Toyota's first Beyond Zero vehicle is being recalled. The bZ4x EV crossover has a hub bolt problem that could cause the wheels to fall off. Fortunately, only a few hundred affected vehicles reached U.S. buyers. Toyota is offering loaner vehicles as well as buyback offers. The original Dune buggy is back. The Meyers Manx 2.0 is a modern reimagining of the iconic off-roader. This new version will be all-electric, street-legal, and is expected to arrive in 2024. And that does it for this week's Motor News.